Transform your Shopify store from transactional to transformational with a killer About Us page that resonates with your customers. Today, we're diving deep into crafting an About Us page that doesn't just sell products, but sells your story. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Shopify admin, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. Then select Pages. On the Pages screen, you'll see an Add Page button. Click that to create your brand new About Us page. In the title field, simply type About Us or a variation like Our Story or Who We Are. Now, let's talk content. An effective About Us page tells your brand's unique story. Think about why you started your business. What problem are you solving? What's your passion? Clearly articulate your mission and values. What drives you? What principles guide your business? This builds trust and attracts customers who align with your ethos. Consider including a Meet the Team section. People connect with people. Showcasing the faces behind your brand adds a personal touch and builds authenticity. In the main content editor, you can start writing. Use compelling storytelling. Weave a narrative that engages your audience. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Visuals are crucial. Upload high-quality images of your products, your team, or your workspace to break up text and make your page more appealing. Think about images that reflect your brand identity. Don't forget to set a featured image. This image often appears when your page is shared on social media, so make it eye-catching and representative of your brand. Before you hit save, check your visibility settings. Ensure your About Us page is set to visible so your customers can find it. Finally, make sure your About Us page is easily accessible. Add it to your store's navigation menu, usually in the main menu or the footer. This ensures customers can always find your story. And there you have it, a compelling About Us page that will connect with your customers on a deeper level. Now go tell your story.